Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Two Stars Sudoku. In the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, March the 20th, 2023. No, it's the weekend edition, the Saturday or Sunday, 18 March the 18th or 19th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle. Letter Sudoku, two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And you are interested in this one, the 2 stars Sudoku number 6147. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And for 2 stars a puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. And 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above don't need 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below don't need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column, no need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so on that row, don't need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 6 now, Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in the last column, so the 1 and the 4 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 3 goes there. Then 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left, 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2, 3, 7, okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. Then 8, okay. Come on. The 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3, 3. Alright, 6, 6. 4, 4, 4. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. For the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. 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 We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Alright. The 9 in the first column, the 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the row below, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. Alright. Okay, the 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2, 2. Need a 2 there, need a 2 here. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing in this row. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. A 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, that means here we need a 5 here. Yeah. We need a 5 in these 3 boxes. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in the first column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 1 box left in the last row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 3 and 8. And these 2 numbers in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Oh, well, we have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. No, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. And the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1, 3, 8. So we have a 2, 2. Let me think. 6 in this row. 6 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, there are only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, so the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. Let me mark those. 1, What the 8? No, the 5. 5 and 8. We already have a 5 here in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next though, need 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. What about 8? 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, alright. Yeah. 1 and 3. 2 missing numbers in this middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2. Oh wait, 1 and a 3. We already have a 3 here in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Almost finished. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 here in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the middle column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 it goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. Very quick to solve this one. Yeah. We solve it again. So is this really a 2 stars? No, it's rather a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.